This is a quick kitchen drawer cleanup and reorganization. Stick around if you want to see how I did it. Hey guys, I'm popping on really quickly to show you what I'm doing. I just opened this drawer and I found a lot of expired canned goods. And I can't tell you last time I was in this drawer, but we don't use this often because most of the canned goods are stored in the pantry. So, but apparently I put a lot of stuff in here, and as you can see, this is from 2011. I took a few things out already which had dates of 2012, so I got to get rid of this stuff. Look at this, 2012. Oh, this one's 2015. Woohoo! It's not bad. 2015 on that one. This is some soup, which is, oh wow, this one's 2017. But for the most part, I'm seeing a lot of stuff in here from 2012. Here's something, yeah, 2012. 2012. I don't even know what that is. I can't tell what that is. Let's see. I think that's 2011. Wow. So, long story short, I am going to be cleaning this out today. Oh, carnation milk. Okay. That's 2019. All right, so that's good. 2013. Oh my goodness. What's this? Honey. So let me clean this out and show you the after. So this is the garbage pile. This is the before. It's the only thing that we're keeping. So let's clean this up. So let me reveal the after. Ta-da! And I haven't decided what to put in this yet. What I have under there are the sugar, rice, flour kind of stuff, oils. I may use this for pans, but this is all I have left. This is what we had left. So these things will go in the pantry. And for now, I want to enjoy this and decide what to do. But hopefully, this will never happen again. I'll have to show you the pantry clean out as soon as we get to that, because I started with that, a couple of months ago, but I didn't film it. So I'm going to, it's an unfinished project, so we're going to go back and finish that. Thank you guys for riding with me, and have an awesome, awesome week. And I will see you all in my next production. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See ya.